time.
Good. Alright, so you'll now go beyond this point here. Ram it, you match the rope to the back. So whichever collar rope comes out, you match it to the ram. So it's 3 different colors. Okay.
You would normally secure the tack first and then tighten it.
Well, you're probably going to raise the sail as you're going up.
Yeah.
So then you can see, okay, where this grommet is. You pull the line to the back and then grommet the front now. Okay. Line to the back first.
You do this rear line first instead of the tack.
And then you do this one. Now you probably want to know how you would lock the ropes into the boat. Okay? So these are cam clutches, right? And these are tension locking clutches. If there's tension on the rope lock itself in. When there's a tension, the clutches lock itself.
That's only for the blue line, the black line,
Those three, all the reefing points.
Each one of them have one of those little clutches on.
Same way my boat is.
Okay. That's right there. And this is your everyday reefing right here. You gotta go to this reefing here, it's drop your sails, multi-plane access. You call someone and say, hey guys, I'm in 25 knots wind, I'm trying to attach a stored reef. I'm not getting it do, send one of you guys out to the chase boat, show me how to attach a stored reef. It's like, I'm going to tell you over the phone, drop your sails, multi-plane access. That's it. Okay? So, anything over 25 knots wind, 25 knots wind, drop your sails, multi-plane access. You probably get gusts and stuff like that. And they'll yell about sailing and it happen. That's just because it happened. When you go out, oh, it's 25 knots of wind today, let's go sailing. That's the reefing ropes. Alright. Stack back, stays up how it is, you don't have to drop it or do anything, just leave them the way it is. Okay, whenever you hoist up the mainsail, make sure that you battens them. Don't get caught up in between the legs. Get caught up. There's not much we can do from this end. See if the ring is up and say, the battens just keep getting caught up in between the jack. What do I have to do? Okay, you go directly. And if you're hoisting up your sail, the back end of the sail is doing a little fish tail. The sail is going to go up and going to come back right down back easily. The middle it's not doing a little wobbly to the back. The sail is not going to go easy. Okay, so if you get your boat, your sails up, make sure your boat is directly into the back. Okay. So these are reefing lines right over here. These are your lazy jacks then. I think it's the next green one up here, which is a spear halyard. It's not doing anything, it's just a backup halyard. Normally if you got to go up the mast, do anything,